paddle towards you, engage first, then look to your left, make sure we're clear, and away we go. That's it. Perfect. That's it then, just grab a gear. That's it, just keep it going, Miles. Another gear, that's it. Like I say, look ahead, planning, figure out what we need to do. Just follow it round. That's it, keep it going. Looking through, there's a Caterham coming, but he'll be past an Aston, so if we just stay to the right for me. Let this Aston come up the inside. That's perfect. So if you bring it back over to the left, keep it going, Miles. Keep left, bit of a brake, and turn a little bit early there, so you're going to find you're going to have to add more lock or the car will want to run off the road. Then bring it back into the middle, go on, keep it going, back into your left, keep left, keeping left. Little touch of the brake, off the brake, turn it in. That's it. Then use all the road on your left. Now straighten it up. Away you go. Pick up the gas. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it going. And another gear. Braking. A bit harder. Down a gear. Keep braking. More pressure. That's it now. Off the brake. Bring the front across. Keep it tight. Now let the car run out to the left, straighten it up, keep it going, then just gradually bring it back to your right, watch for the grass, then down a gear. See, keep braking, and sharp left, aim for the edge of the curb, straight back into the next curb, out to the left for the next curb, keep left, then get it turned in. Use all the road on your exit. Good. Straighten it up, pick up the power. Keep left. Braking. That's it. Now, into the right, off the brake, turn it in. And start to straighten the car up. Stay in the middle, keep it going. Back across. Let the car come into the middle. Good. Now bring it back to the left. And braking, stay left, then sharp right. Going to turn a little bit early again so you run out of the road. Now if you just stay to the left for me, just let the car come past on our right. That's it, keep it going now. Keep left, keeping left, brake, off, turn. Then start to use all the road on your exit, straighten it out, keep it going, gear. Gear. Keep it going, another gear. So what happens here, we catch him up down the straights, but he's way quicker than us in the corners, you see. So staying left, braking, down a gear, stay left. Now off the brake, into the right. Follow it round. Then use all the road on your exit again, straighten it up, keep it going, Miles. Bring it back to your right. And braking, down a gear, keep braking, then sharp left, turn it in, back into the right, then there's another car going to come past on our right, so if you can just stay left for me, you just go around the outside this corner, he's not wanting to come past, turn it in, and keep it left again, keep it going, keep left, braking. Now off the brake, turn it in. Good. The car run into the middle, straighten it out, back across. Keep left. Car coming past on our right. Stay left for me, stay left, Miles, stay left. That's it, perfect. Thank you for that. Now get it turned in. Excellent, good man. Then back into your left. Keep left. brake, off, turn. Use all the road. There, too much gas too soon, didn't get the car straight. That's it. Keep it left again, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Braking, stay left, stay left, stay left. That's it there. Off the brake, turn it in. Keep it tight. Now let it run out to your left, use all the road, straighten it up, keep it going, keep it going. Keep it going, Miles. And brake it, down a gear. Keep braking, and into your left. Straight back across. Back out wide, keep left, then up a gear because you went down too many, stay wide. Now bring the front across, fill the car. Wait till you get it straight. Now feed the gas in. That's it. Keep it going, keep it left. Brake it. Then off the brake, turn it in. Let the car stay in the middle, straighten it up, back across. That's it. Keep it going, keep it left, brake it. Keep braking. Nowhere enough brake there, as you can see, so the car didn't want to turn in. Straighten it up, stay in the middle, back across again. So keep straight, keep left, keeping left, brake, off, turn it in. Use all the roads, straighten it up, keep it going, away you go. But unfortunately, mate, the bad news is we've got to bring it in for the end of the session, I hate to say. So if we follow the road round and we're back in the box. How was that for you? Enjoy it?
Better than the first one.
Yeah, it's a learning curve for you. Big learning curve.
Never driven a left-hand drive on a track before.
No, it does put you off a little bit. And again, like I say, the track's not helping because it just doesn't look wet, but it's just horrible in grease. You had one moment where the back step down, that was just because again you had the steering lock on and tried to put the gas on, so in these conditions you've got to have the car virtually straight before you feed the power, but apart from that all went well, so fantastic, well driven.